In this video, we're going to discuss distributing division over addition and subtraction. Now, if at any point in this video you feel good to go, boom, you're welcome to leave the video. To begin, please pause me and try to simplify these two expressions. This will help you assess what you already know, and it's also going to give you an opportunity to make a mistake, which we know is valuable to your learning. All right, pause me, simplify, then come back. Welcome back. All right, here are the simplified versions of the two expressions, and you can check and see where your level of understanding was. One thing to notice is in algebra, we always prefer fractions. All right, again, if you feel good to go, you're out of here. Otherwise, the next thing I'm going to do is walk through simplifying both of these expressions. So let's come on down and simplify them. Now, the first thing to remember is the fraction bar not only means division, but they're also implied or hidden grouping symbols around the numerator and the denominator. Here for 3, we don't need a grouping symbol around it. So this means that we're going to need to distribute division, the division by 3, to both the terms in the numerator. Because if it's in grouping symbols, since we can't add those two terms, we're going to have to distribute the division. So we'll distribute the division to the first term, 12x divided by 3. Let's make that a 3. 12x divided by 3 plus 15 divided by 3. Notice the connection to adding fractions. If we were going to add fractions, we need common denominators. Once we have the common denominator, the next step is to actually add the numerators, which take us back to where we started from. So that should be a nice connection about moving forward and moving back. The last step is whenever we have fractions, let's try to simplify them. I know that 12 and 3 have the common factor of 3, so I can divide that out, and I'm left with 4x. Next, 5 and 3 have a common factor of 3, so I can do that division, and I get 5. So that expression, once you distribute the division, simplifies to 4x plus 5. Let's try the next one. Same idea. We've got the grouping symbols up here in the numerator. So we're going to have to distribute our division to both of the terms. Go ahead and do that. Have negative 4x divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 2. Please notice in all of these examples, our operator stays the same. We're adding here, subtracting, subtracting. Next step is to go ahead and simplify. Negative 4 and 2 show the common factor of 2. I can divide that out. Negative 2x minus, now 5 halves, it's a fully simplified fraction, so we're going to leave it as it is, 5 halves. In algebra, we almost always prefer keeping fractions over converting to decimals. All right, mathematicians, this is distributing division. It behaves just like distributing multiplication over addition and subtraction. All right, bye. See you soon.